Memecoin is your next big opportunity to find the hottest meme coin on the market. With this meme coin showing us over a 20% gain just today, a 50% gain over the past week, and you ready for this? A 400% gain just in the past month. So think about the possibility of what this coin might have in store for you as an investor. We've seen this coin grow to the 7th largest meme coin in the world as of today. So in this video, I'm going to break down the charts and give you a little bit of insight on why you should be investing in Brett if you want to make millions. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep growing. Now let's go look at the charts. All right, guys, what we are looking at is Memecoin on TradingView, so we can break down these charts and see where price is to go next. All right, so we can see just by looking at this from where it initially started all the way to where it is now. It has just been a uproar, tear all the way up. Haven't really seen much downfall with this coin, over the past 2 months since it actually launched. And as you can see right here, we are up 22% on the day, which is insane. All right, so since we're on a higher time frame, we can actually just see, the whole history of this coin. We're gonna mark out every little spot, so we have a good idea of where price could head next. If you enjoy, watching me mark this up, comment down below. If you don't, comment that as well, so I'll have it marked up pre-recording. But I'm just marking up the areas of support and resistance, supply and demand, so that we can see where price loves to, react, reject, push off, things of that nature. All right, so I'm just marking, as you can see right here, where price is rejecting at and reacting right here. Huge rejections, huge rejections, huge rejections. These are all areas of supply and demand causing huge waves in the market that are set by, whales taking and dumping lots of money into the market. I put these boxes around so that it is an area, not just a specific line. All right, so now that we have the basic market structure mapped out, I'm going to give you just a little arrow to follow as you're looking at this. So as you see where we started up here on this uphill tear, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You get the point. It's just an uphill, continuous battle. And we just recently broke the recent high, which was right here. And we are continuing to push. So we're going to drop down to a lower time frame, about the 1 hour time frame, so we can see what is happening. All right, so we initially came to this area that we are just now breaking through. Didn't go so smooth last time, as you can see. We had a bunch of rejection right here, rejection right here, causing this spiraling, small, bearish downtrend. Didn't last too long before actually coming back down to another area of supply and demand and rejecting not once, not twice, but about 5, 6, 7, a bunch of times. You get the point. We rejected a lot in this area, and that's when we made a huge push with some big bullish momentum candles. What is happening as of right now is really important. If you will look, I'm going to extend this out so you can actually get a good look at the candles. You can see right here we are creating new highs from where we was just at right here. We actually already closed above it, but look at this group of candles that we are at right now. Look at this. All right, in this area, you can see that we have broke above, and now we are rejecting above this area of supply and demand, or support and resistance. For this, it would be support. So you can see right here, look what happens when we usually start rejecting in the areas of support, the floor essentially. We push up, come down, can't take it. Come down, push up. Come down, push up. We have broken above that area. So look what's happening. We came down, didn't like it. Came down, didn't like it. Just leaving a bunch of wicks letting us know that there's not many sellers in this area. And in fact, the buyers are starting to pick back up. So at this point, we could probably see another rally continuing to load pretty soon. If it was me, when I'm getting ready to invest in this coin, I wouldn't put my money in exactly right now. I mean, you could probably get this at just a little bit cheaper price, maybe right in here, because this is what I think the price is going to do. All right. I think we're probably going to make another push a little bit higher, and then we're going to come back even lower than we're at now. So right in here, if you want to get the absolute best price, you wait for it to return back in this area. This is just another confirmation that we are creating good, healthy, strong market structure to continue this very bullish uptrend and continue breaking highs. So I would wait for the price to come right back into this area, hang out a little bit, show us that it is going to reject instead of just busting through and then continuing lower. Show us that we're going to reject, and then hop in this area to continue the bullish run. However, if you do not want to do that, you can hop in right now where it is at. It's not that much of a big difference, but if you want to get the best bang for your buck, you can actually even wait for this to come down a little bit lower and then continue to ride this uptrend and see some massive gains. These meme coins are all social media driven. You got to keep that in mind. Whoever's putting the most money in these coins, who said what about this coin? For instance, Roaring Kitty. When he usually comments on GameStop and coins like that, we usually see huge pumps in the market. Very similar to coins like this. We should see a bunch of news coming out on this coin. The fact that it's up over 400%, and it's basically ahead of all the meme coins this month, especially today and over the past week. A 20% gain in one day is definitely going to open up the eyes to some big money in the market. But yeah, guys, that is my projection for this Brett coin, what I think could happen, and the future. So if you enjoyed this video, like I said at the beginning, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.